Hi, I'm Shannon Henry, an applications engineer here at EMA Design Automation. Today we are discussing the assembly data package. Along with the assembly drawing, which will be covered more in depth in a separate video, the documents in the assembly package will serve as a guide for both assembly and inspection. Some of these files have already been produced through the design process and will need to be included for assembly. The first documents are the schematic and bill of materials, or BOM. As a reminder, the bill of materials should have been created following the schematic completion. It contains all the components in the PCB assembly, quantities, part numbers, descriptions, and reference designators. The next is a neutral database file, which was produced for the fabrication process. Common formats for a neutral database file are IPC 2581 or ODB++. This file contains intelligent data, net names, and connections. The assembly manufacturing engineer will use this document to double-check the BOM, kit the parts for assembly, and for troubleshooting any issues that may arise. An XY placement file should also be provided for the assembly. This can be referred to as the pick-and-place file, and is required to program the placement machinery. The file should include the reference designator of every component, side of the board, X and Y coordinates, and angle of orientation. You should also include a solder paste stencil artwork file. In order for any surface mount parts to be installed, a thin layer of solder paste must be applied to all footprint lands. The manufacturer will make a stencil based on this document to apply the paste accurately. If testing has been incorporated into your design, be sure to include a test point location file. This is similar to the XY placement file. The file should include net name, side of access, XMI location, and test point name if applicable. Creating the assembly drawing will complete this assembly documentation package and ensure your design is assembled correctly. If you have any topics you would like to see in our Whiteboard Wednesday sessions, go ahead and add them in the comments below. And be on the lookout for more Whiteboard Wednesday sessions with the PCB design experts here at EMA Design Automation.